There's something about seeing your drone light up in the sky that just hits different. Not just flying, but glowing, like it almost doesn't belong here. Tonight I strapped something new to the DJI Neo 2, not to make it faster and not to make it smarter, just to see what happens when you make it more visible in a whole new way. And honestly, I wasn't ready for how good it really looked. This is the VIFLY Halo. Okay, so the VIFLY Halo, designed specifically for the DJI Neo 2. I know what you're thinking, is this just a cosmetic thing that makes it look cool? And yeah, it does look cool. Well, we'll get into that shortly, but there's actually something more going on here than you'd expect from something this small and simple. It actually changes how visible your drone is. It changes how it feels in the air, and honestly, it changes the whole vibe of flying. But the real question I wanted to answer is this actually useful, or is it just a flying light show with a price tag attached? So let's just get right into it. First things first, getting this thing on the drone. And this is genuinely one of my favorite things about it. There are no cables, no tools, it just snaps on in seconds, done. I mean, look how simple this is. It runs on its own built-in battery too, which is a big deal because it means zero impact on your flight time. And once it's sitting on your drone, it actually looks like it was shipped that way. It's really clean and the fit is really intentional. Okay, this is where it actually gets fun. The Halo comes with multiple colors and a bunch of different light modes. Static colors, breathing effects, and full dynamic pattern options. But the moment it actually clicked for me was the first time I sent it up in the evening and I just watched it. Because in the air, it transforms the Neo 2 completely. It stops looking like a consumer drone and starts looking something alive up there. Something with a little bit of personality. Tracking it is effortless. You always know exactly where your drone is, which direction it's facing, and how far away it's gone. And visually, especially during that golden hour or just after sunset, it looks absolutely insane. Genuinely one of those things you have to see in person to fully appreciate. Now, here's something that I actually didn't expect. There's a downward facing light built into the Halo as well. And this one has a real practical job to do. See, the Neo 2 uses its downward sensors to hold a stable hover. And those sensors work by reading what's underneath the drone. Texture, contrast, light. So in dark environments, that gets harder. Less light means less information, which means the hover can get a little shaky. This small downward LED helps throw just enough light into the ground to give those sensors something to work with. Now, is this a total game changer? No, I'm not going to oversell it, but it does actually make a noticeable difference in the stability during low light conditions. And when you're trying to get a good, controlled, clean shot, every little bit of help counts. Alright, real talk, because I want to be straight as a die with you. The Halo is not going to make night flying easy. If you're flying FPV in the goggles, your visibility still comes from entirely your camera and the environment around you. This thing isn't a searchlight. It's not illuminating your flight path. Its job is actually to make the drone more visible. It's not to help the pilot see where it's going. This is a really important distinction. If you're buying this expecting it to be a low light flying solution, well then that's not what it is. But what it does do genuinely well is make your drone easier to track from the ground. You always know where it is, you always know which way it's facing, and that confidence when you're flying further out in lower light, that's actually really valuable. But if I'm being totally honest with you, the biggest reason to pick this up is just how it makes flying feel. Every flight becomes this whole cinematic thing, intentional, atmospheric and different. The Neo 2 is already a capable little machine, but this Halo gives it personality, it gives it presence, and it makes you want to go out and just fly and watch it move through the sky. And that kind of thing has real value, not just for the footage, but for the experience. So is it worth it, or is it just a gimmick? Well, in my opinion, genuinely it's actually worth it, not because it makes your drone perform a little bit better, but because it makes the whole experience better, more visible, more cinematic and more fun to fly. Flying isn't always purely about specs and performance. Sometimes it's about how it feels to be out there with the drone in the sky, and that Halo gives something real to that feeling. If you're a Neo 2 owner who loves cinematic flying or just wants something that stands out, well then this is a pretty easy recommendation. So if you got any type of value whatsoever from this video today, can you please hit that like button and smash subscribe, as it really helps my channel grow. I'm Adam from Zone and Lens. You guys have been absolutely colourful, and I hope to see you all in the next video.